Hear that?
Uh-huh.
What was that? Hear that?
Uh-huh.
What was that?
I caught that 13-incher right there. Right straight in front of us.
I got a big crab. Oh, God, come on. Wait for a minute. Boy, he's a big one. I probably couldn't move him, man.
Fish
oh,
on.
my God. What in the world? I told you it's my lucky reel. Is it a good one?
Yeah, he's a good one.
Well, we're going to have a problem getting him in. But we don't have a net.
Yeah.
Well, don't keep coming this way. You got plenty of room there. Jeremy, what you going to do? Over here.
Don't go over there.
Take your time. Make sure it don't have teeth. Make sure it's not a small gator. What is it?
That's a drum. That's a drum.
The keeper. Just grab the line and throw him up here. That's my lucky reel. Honest to God, it's got to be. That's what we catch on the fish.
He's a keeper.
He's a keeper.
He's a keeper.
Good job. Y'all, you see my lucky reel? Show them to the camera, y'all.
Hold up, Jerry. Jerry,
What's wrong?
come here a minute.
Oh.
That foot was asleep and I didn't want
Oh my God, he gonna fall in on us.
I didn't want to fall in.
Now listen, man, this last day using my reel.
You come on, you can
Everywhere you throw out, he catches.
I got a reel for you. We got pair of pliers.
No. Yeah, we do. Somewhere.
It's like in his lip.
Here, come over here and shine your light, man, because I can't see. You got it. Make sure he is 18 inches. Look at that. I don't know where to throw it now, y'all. Look, he's in your spot. There you go. Let me go. You get out with me. I want y'all to get some fish. Okay.
I don't know where he threw that.
He threw it in one of those mouths. That's where he threw
Oh
it.
yeah. Yeah, he's
Oh,
20 and 20 and a half.
there you go. Fish on. Now, if you don't want him, I know somebody does.
Alright.
Yep. I got a cooler there. We can put him in the cooler.
We'll put him in the cooler.
Yeah, I know somebody.
Where's the camera at? There you go, folks.
Fish on. Good
Fish
job,
on.
man. Have you got one?
No.
You telling me that your weight is fight back that much?
Well, this is a real lightweight rod.
About fell in, y'all.
That's not a good thing, Jerry.
Yeah, I'm fixing to turn that light back this way. Honestly.
Alright, I get this out of the way here.
Yo, that's a big crab I had. That bird, unless it was some kind of a log or something. There we go. I told my wife, I said, I'm gonna go looking and see if I can find some lights you can recharge. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Don't buy batteries. Fishing like it's here for drum, deep down, and the way the water's running, I believe these fish are just traveling through.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm gonna tell you something. When I used to gig around, okay, he gonna show you how it's done again, Jeremy. He gonna show you one more time, okay?
I'm gonna watch where he throws. That way, if he hooks another one while
Hey,
he's
listen.
bringing that one in, I'm throwing in it.
If you had a better reel, I mean not better reel, if you had a reel look like that one, you could switch on him. Yeah. It's the real, man. It is not. It ain't me. It's not a field.
He went over in the grass.
It's the real. And that's sad. Feels like, okay, y'all fished here long enough. I'm gonna show you where they at. Throw and catch 120 inch. That's what I'm talking about. It fit good, didn't he, Phil?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm talking about. I wonder what kind of sharks comes up in here.
Well, bull sharks for one.
Yeah. Because y'all know I saw those crazy porpoises coming out of here. That's the craziest thing I ever seen. 400 or 500 pound fish.
Oh, coming up through here?
No, coming out.
Coming out?
Yeah, they was upstream.
Were they regular porpoises or the river dolphins?
No, it was like what you see. Well, I don't know. I didn't ask them. What it
Well,
was.
did you see their
No.
snout?
No, I just heard it blow and I looked. I saw him come up, and they went back down. And they come around the point, and I was trying to get them filming, but you know it's a high tide. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So what they done? They came up on high tide, and then they went back out. You know, the tide went down. So you know when we bring the boat, y'all, we need to catch it. We're going in with the tide going up.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll fish like 3 hours of tide going up. Then we'll turn around and we'll fish 2 or 3 hours tide going down. Look at it. Y'all, I am not, hold the rod down, buddy. Oh. Oh yeah. Let me get back over here. Come over top of you. Feel what she got going. Like I didn't tell you, that rod's good at catching fish, also good at getting tangled. It's got the best worlds of both.
Best of both worlds.
Phil, are you smoking?
That's my breath.
Oh my God.
Okay, it's cold out here.
I'm about to burn up. Oh, why?
I've caught
3.
I've caught some big drum along this edge and right there in this corner. And that's the first black drum I've caught over there.
Yep. I've caught the guy that was with me with his daddy and his kids. He caught one there about 19 inches. His boy caught one down there, and then I went up there and caught 123 inches. Me and Jeremy, we can't even get it. We can't even pay a fish to hit. Jeremy, Phil's putting us to shame.
This is a good day. I think I'm gonna go home right now.
I know, I don't blame you. I would too. Too bad you don't have them on video except that one. No, I'll be posting that video tonight, y'all. My real getting jerk. I was about where he was, and I had it laid this way. And I was telling the people, I said, you want to lay it so they have to drag it around to jerk it in. Next thing I know,
In she goes.
oh my God, this is faster than I thought it would go in. Look at that. Got something going. Oh yeah.
Oh,
It ain't nothing, y'all. It's
Hey,
just my
I was
life.
fixing to say, hey.
He got one of them hangers on.
You ain't lying. This is a big crab here. It broke.
I hope it didn't break.
It broke.
You gotta hope it just came loose.
It broke. All I got the tail end of a line.
I got a rig somewhere over there by that boat.
Oh no, I ain't buying no rigs, man.
Yeah, I've got one I made up. It's
I'm a
over
poor
there.
man. Rig. Okay. Honestly,
I might be fishing on credit.
how high is your? Let me see it. Okay, look. You see where his and is?
Yep.
How high is yours?
About the same.
Okay, well then, mine was low. So I'm gonna get mine a little higher in the air.
Mine might be a shade higher.
But that's the problem. You need to cut her down a little bit. Do everything what that reel says. Because he's catching fish. Ain't you, Phil? We ain't doing nothing. Let's see here. Might slow up, y'all, on my fishing.
Why?
My wife, she said I wouldn't spend enough time with the family.
Well, they need to come fishing.
That's what I tell them.
But they don't want to do it, do they?
No.
Where you fishing?
Won't you bring your daughter down here?
Huh? Shoot. ain't
She
gonna-
says she'd love to go.
She ain't coming out here.
You sure?
I'm about positive. Hey, you wanna go fishing? Where are you going? I'm gonna go to the backwater. No.
Going where?
I'm going to the backwater. No. Hey, I'm going fishing. Where are you going? Hole 16. Okay, I'll go.
Hole 16.
Yeah, big wide pond. She got.
So she likes the fresh water, not the.
Well, she likes to fish, but that one time we went off a hole 12.
Skitters didn't get y'all, did
No, I was a ways from her, and she come up to me and she had this deathly white face on her. She said, "Dad, there's an alligator over there." And I said, "Where?" "Right there." And I couldn't see it. And he moved his head. His head was about as long as your arm.
Oh yeah, that's a
And
big one.
that right there is pretty much well done.
Well, tell her that out here, these gators are, they are wild. So they ain't like the ones are. See, the ones are, that's the problem with them. Those boogers are tame.
No.
Okay, here's the one, y'all. Let's see here, man. I ain't throwing that way. I'm gonna throw it this way. I'm gonna throw where I can't see nothing. That way. I hit water. That's a good sign, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it was a crab.
Hear that?
Uh-huh.
What was that?
Didn't sound like no deer blowing, I can tell you
Huh?
that. Didn't sound like no deer blowing.
No.
And that's back up far and in the boonies, ain't it? Yeah, we can tell Joe that we're gonna start getting off at 4 and he'll pay us to 5.
Yeah.
And we'll want our Botero close.
Yeah, we'll be advertising.
That's right, in the backwaters of
Roland County.
the Cape Fear. That's what I called it.
And I ain't got to be fast. I just got to be faster than y'all.
Well, I'm gonna tell you something, y'all. You take something coming up here, I got a good knife in there.
I ain't sticking around to grab no knife. I'm gonna become Jesus real quick and start walking on water.
You better
yeah,
be praying. Okay.
You better not take your eyes off of him. Because once you do, that's when you sink. That's what happened to the other one. In the
Yeah. What happened to Peter? Where you throwing at?
Something just busted.
Did it?
Yeah, it's something big busted.
Could have been a gator went in the water.
Possibly.
Or a bear.
Well, as long as he stays down there, we good.
Oh, God.
Hear it?
Do you hear that?
Hear what?
There's something over there big. You hear it?
That's a deer.
Think so?
Yeah.
I think it's a deer. Hey, y'all, we started watching, but we had to cut it off. Had so much cuss on, it was unreal. But have y'all seen that one where it's
Hey, quiet.
huh?
He said quiet.
That's a deer.
Huh?
That's a deer. That's a big deer.
He's at the edge of the water, man.
Have you ever heard a screech owl?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Scared the poopy out of me.
You want me to do a screech owl?
No, I'm good.
Hey,
Not back here in the dark. No, I'm good.
hey, let me tell you something, y'all. Me and I'd be back home and I'd get my nieces and nephews. I had a bunch of them, y'all. I mean, you know, y'all thinking 2 or 3. I'm talking 20. Well, 15 at least. I'd get them over there and I'd say, have you ever heard a screech owl? No. You want to see what a screech owl sounds like? Get him?
No, I think he was a crabby. I think they're being crabby with my bait.
Yeah. You know, him over there ain't no big deal. But you start to hear something behind you here,
Yeah.
that's when it's a deal.
Yeah, 'cause we
Yeah.
got to go through that.
That's right. That's why I told somebody, I told, I'm gonna come down out with you too, man. The other day, or yesterday, I was talking to Jody. You know Jody that's on the wheelchair?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told Jody. Hold you right down for a minute, man. Thank you. Oh God,
Boy, you trying to catch me?
where did it go? It went.
It went around me.
Look,
Yeah, it went back that way.
that thing come on.
The sinker?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get me some. Well, y'all, whenever y'all ready, I'm ready. I ain't fixing back up. I'm done. Let me get all my stuff together.
Look,
Uh-oh.
look around down here. You might find your sinker. Yeah, because I heard a bit.
Uh-oh. Scam detected. Decline. Decline. Yeah. Y'all keep fishing. Get all my stuff ready. Oh my gosh. Y'all, we have fished out this here, like this here. Me and my brothers, our whole life. This is all natural to me. No lie. I'm talking all night long. You know what I do about 3 o'clock? I come up on the bank and I go to sleep. But back home, we don't have bears.
Yeah.
Down here, it's a different story.
Oh, yeah.
See, look, here's what I was thinking about. You see that limb right there?
Yeah.
Okay, what you want to do is, you want to take you something and throw across that, right? Let that booger hang down. Tie something on it like a weight and pull your line back to here. So in other words, what you do is you get that round thing for crab, put something on it out here, then you let it go out. Drop it straight down. And put a lot of stuff on it. And really put it to it. So what you do is, when you get ready to pull it up, you just jerk it up quick. And the crab's on the inside. Then you take, you have something you can grab a hold of.
Like a hook.
And pull it back to you, and then you got all those crabs in there.
Yeah.
You'll have 8 or 9 crabs in there. And I'm telling you, if you got 8 or 9 crabs the biggest Phil caught, that'd be a mess, wouldn't it, Phil?
Yeah,
Well,
that's
it would.
good crab.
Or something you can do, and it'd be good right in here. Get your crab pod. Set it out right there.
Yep. And put it up there too, just like that. Drop it straight down.
Yep.
Come here and fish. But I'm gonna tell you something. What's that?
Phil.
That's something floating?
No, Phil just threw over there.
I know, but I see something floating. I always watch y'all. I'm telling you. You'll always see something coming down there thinking it's a log. It'd be a big gator.
Big 20-foot gator.
Yeah. Okay, y'all. I believe my light is going dim. We are. That's what we're doing right now. Hold on, let me get.
I must buy this reel off of you.
No, you ain't. You ain't buying my number one reel. That's the reel I catch all my fish on. Hey, Jeremy.
2-ounce sinker.
No, it's okay. Hey, Jeremy, look, buddy.
Yeah.
That's your light, okay, when you're going out.
Okay.
Yeah. You got the brightest light.
No, I was just checking because, like I said, when you
Oh, yeah.
throwed it.
Is that your cigarettes?
Yeah, I'm fixing to pick them up.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to make sure we keep everything clean back here.
Yeah, the cigarette that Phil had that I had when Phil caught that red drum.
Yeah.
I put it out and threw it on the ground. Got the red drum. When I got back up here, I picked it up.
Somebody, was this glass bottle busted here when we got here?
I don't know. All I know is he gonna be.
It had to have been because there's some right there.
Maybe you rub some of your luck on that reel.
I'm gonna go ahead and I give you $15 for this.
No.
Look how busted up it is. That's not a $15 rod, right?
Oh my God, y'all! You hear
I
it?
get,
Public access points and new hunting locations. So I turn on the public here. I'm gonna scroll over, find some road systems. that
Y'all,
intersect
if
it.
you got 3
So
like
I
this
know-
right here, you got it lit.
I think we can get some ones that stand up. We gotta cut that limb down. We gotta cut this limb down.
Yeah.
We gotta cut that tree down.
Yeah. Now,
'Cause
now.
you cannot throw right there.
Yeah. Now look, I've got the pole saw.
Yeah.
But it's a saw.